Hi, real estate enthusiast. So I wanted to come in here and show you guys how to use Google Map to get a solid lead list that you can provide a VA for cold calling, or you can cold call yourself or anything like that. So do not pay for leads. In my experience, so many times you pay for leads. Other people are paying for those same leads. So you are competing with tons of investors who are paying for those same leads. In addition, the lead companies are getting those from different public records or also purchasing them from other people. So the leads you're getting are very diluted. So what we do, especially when it comes to commercial real estate, sometimes those lists are a little bit harder to come by. So what we do is you can sit on your phone if you have Google Map, or as you're driving around. This is a great way that we have found, a very quick way to acquire a list that you can then provide a VA or go home. And if you like to sit down and do a lot of data entry, you can definitely do by yourself. And you will get a very organic leads list on your own. And so what we have done, you can see some of these pins. So this is Google Map. And so what you do is on your phone, you go to create like favorites, create a list. And in that list, we've titled it storage. So we have 451 places that we have pinned. So as you can see, some of these don't have addresses, they don't have anything. But what we've done is you can zoom in and you can see where the property is located. So just sitting on your phone, you can scroll through and you can find different buildings. And if you have it on a different view, you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so here is a property, and you can look at any type of commercial property that you want. And so as you're pinning through, like you can see, this is Brookshire Brothers, that's Western Union. So this is like a retail building that you can actually reach out to this company in general and see if they want to sell the building. Because usually these companies don't actually own the building themselves. And we're in the industry for purchasing the real estate, and we acquire the business because we buy the real estate, but we're not looking to actually buy these companies. So I hope that makes sense. So what you would do is, you can see this little guy over here in the corner. You grab him, bring him over. Hey, he's just sitting there hanging out. Now you have a street view. So just kind of turn this around. All right, you can see that we pinned just a general area that looked like a storage facility. And a lot of times on Google, if you get close enough, then it actually tells you what businesses they are. So we look at storage facilities that aren't on Google Business. So they don't always say what the company is, but we've either driven by it, or we do a satellite view and we look and we see something that looks like a storage facility, and we just pin it for later so we can go through and we can verify it. So as you can see, this is a storage facility. And so what we do is we just cruise around the street and we look at the storage facility, and usually there is a banner, a company name that tells you the name and phone number. So as you can see, this looks like it's a newer facility, so it might not be the best one for me to call on, but you can see right here, this might be their stationary sign until they get their sign in permanently. So this is a new facility, but as you can see, there's a phone number. It's Millens Self-Storage. And so I can actually then go in an Excel sheet, type down this information, and start creating my list. So I hope that was helpful. Just a quick little tips and tricks of utilizing Google Maps and creating your own lists, your own leads list. So thank you guys so much. Please subscribe, comment below. I love making just quick little videos to help you in your commercial real estate path. And subscribe to follow more, and follow me on legacycreationlive.com. Thanks so much.